What's up, YouTube? Today I want to show you guys how to make these amazing masks that include a filter so they actually work. Keep watching to check it out. So first, what we're going to do is just measure with a plate and cut around the plate so that we can see what we need. And then we're going to draw an outline around the plate so that we can cut precisely. And I'm using a pen just because I don't have a marker. So here I am cutting around the plate with the outline that I just made, and I'm making the circle. Now with the circle, I'm going to fold it in half so that I can cut straight across, and I'll demonstrate right here. So now what you want to do is just cut along the seam of the fold that you just made and try to make it as even as possible. I didn't make it even, but you can fix that while you're sewing. Now we're going to take our two halves and we're going to take the top one and flip it to the side that you actually want to see, and then the bottom one keep it as the back side, if that makes any sense. So now you want to sew the parts where I just pointed and leave that one spot open. Okay, now that you have this part, you want to open it up like this, right here. So the opening is right here. So we just want to flatten it, flatten it, and flatten it, and flatten it, like so. So now that we have it like this, we're going to sew this whole part. All this, and this, the opening is facing out. Okay, now that both of these sides are sewn, you're going to take your opening and pretty much just try to flip it inside out.
So you can get the front of the cloth like this. Without ripping, use channels. Just flip it inside. Like this.
So to create the creases that you want in your mask, you're going to take an iron and just iron out all of the flat parts that you want extremely flat so that they can fit on your face. So I'm demonstrating it here, and you just want to make it so that it's molded around your face. The way you're ironing it is going to be molded around your face. Now that that is ironed out, you want to fold the flaps on the side of the mask so that you can insert the elastic for your ears. So however big you want them, but they don't have to be extremely large. They're just flaps to hold the elastic. So now what I'm doing is just sewing around the perimeter of the flaps we just made. Pull that through. We want to keep a space so that we can put the elastic through when we want to put it around our ear. This is the ear part. So I'm just doing the same technique as before. Ugh. This fabric's thick. So I pushed the elastic through the little hoops that we made, and Kwame is now recording, so that's why it's going in and out like that. But I am sewing the elastic together. I'm also showing you that you could put the remaining fabric around the elastic, but I liked how it looked with just the white elastic. I got the elastic from Joann Fabrics. So here's another clip of me just sewing the elastic together, and you could staple it, you could tie it in a knot, but I felt like sewing it would be more secure. Okay, so this is how it looks after I put the elastics on it, and the final touch is to put, this is like an actual mask that has the filter on it. So I want to put that in there. So I'm going to cut it up and make it fit. Just taking a couple of inches off the sides, or an inch or so off the sides. Because we don't need the earpiece because we already have one. We might be able to save these, so just save these. And I'm going to put the filter in the little hole that we made. Just put it in, stuff it in. And blammo. blam, it's in there like swimwear, and it still has like the part where you can mold the nose right there. So you don't really need that part, but you feel me? Yeah. This one is big because it's for Kwame. He's downstairs, and I'll insert pictures of how it looks on him. Thanks. Wow.
Shout out to my baby for making me my mask.
Wow.
So hard. Got the filter inside. I mean, come get your mask. She'll make one for you.